gotta be careful with this because a lot of people like to rush.
I'll go right through, yeah.
Go right through that thing.
Yeah.
That name need a whole new spoiler.
Round 1. Fight!
Yo! Welcome back to another cold video. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Couldn't say banger. You know what I'm saying? Feel like everybody say banger, so we gotta be different. So we're gonna see how a cold video work out. But anyway, this ain't gonna be too long. Well, this intro, but yeah, your boyfriend head to the bro Rondo 392 house, and you see by the title and thumbnail, your boy is getting something done, Subzero. So shout out to my guy, I'm about to say Subzero, my guy Rondo 392. Been helping your boy about to install this thing. No, I'm gonna give y'all little driblets if y'all. I'll probably put it in the, I don't know. But if y'all saw my last video, I kind of mentioned it. But so if you haven't seen that, go check that out real quick. That was the emission test video. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, but yeah. So my guy Rondo, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna help him, or he's gonna help me, because he got the tools. Put this thing on, you know what I'm saying? If y'all know what it is, y'all know what it is, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate everybody, all the love and support, all this other stuff like that. You already know what I'm talking about. It's a beautiful day out here in Phoenix, Arizona. Anyway, let's get the video started, baby. Ah! Look at all the construction. God dang. Hey, it's not playing right now. Oh, they're just putting down the lines and stuff. Look at those manholes. Pause. But yeah, y'all, so we're gonna head to the bro Rondo 392 crib, you know what I'm saying, to do this. But just want to shout out to everybody. Appreciate y'all showing the love, support y'all been doing on these videos. You know, it's still kind of hard to get videos due to that pandemic. So appreciate everybody for rocking with the videos or whatever, you know what I'm saying, like that. But you know what I'm saying, we in grind mode now, baby. Y'all, we here. I took the wrong way and stuff. Yeah, man. What's going on, man? What's going on, man? Chilling. There he is. Hard worker right there. What's going on, man? Dang. Ooh, y'all see this thing up in here. Yes, sir. I feel it. For sure. I ain't tripping. Nah. You good. You got that thing right there. Yes, sir. To change them brakes right here.
Okay. All right, we'll see y'all now.
Big Brimbos on that thing. Yes, sir.
But I got a kid.
Check out Rondo stuff.
Okay. And they gonna keep up with it. Cause this, man.
Y'all see Rondo thing. Yes, sir. Ooh, he added those. Those is dude. Where do you get those? This thing crazy. Man, I love that. Huh? Follow my guy Rondo 392. Man, y'all know what to do. You got the Daytona jump. Yes, sir. Look at you got the thing on there. That ain't hard. Almost died. Boy, look at that. Hey,
Man, bro. No brake pad.
ball. Hey. Shoot. And then y'all didn't hear the story, but Rondo was changing his bolts. All his bolts was loose. So God saved him.
and beating him down a little bit.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Y'all see this thing, man. Make sure I get my follow though. Ooh, yeah, them things.
Them things was on fire. They was on fire.
Yeah. Big working right here, you know what I'm saying?
Bro.
Oh, yeah.
This
Look at
nigga
that
was metal
thing.
on metal. Metal on metal.
Ooh. I'm scared to check mine now. How long you had it? The car?
Year and a half now. Damn.
And they ain't putting no new brakes on your shit?
No, when I first got
Yeah.
the car, like a week or two after I got it off the lot, I changed out all the brakes.
Oh, okay.
So these, but technically they've been on
Right, for a minute. Yeah, that makes sense.
And now they only wearing down.
Right.
That's impressive.
Yeah.
But the real ones, they good. I got the pass for the real ones.
Right.
Too,
Hey, bro, grab me the brakes and the lubricant.
Man, I ain't finna put this thing on. Now y'all see why we here now. Yes, sir.
We got to change the brake
They
pad.
changing brake pad.
We need to open up a performance shop.
Mhm.
We get rich. We have cars right too. Bro.
Hey, that's a good spot though, right there.
Yeah.
You get everything right there. That's a good spot for the GoPro right
We
there.
show up with the GoPro. Everybody try to be racing us. Y'all got GoPros on y'all shit. Y'all be yapping. Come on, man. Hey, bro, you should. I mean, the only thing that was in my back.
Yeah, y'all, we finally putting this on. It's been 6 months. Not that long, but it's been a long. It's been a long time, but that's how long I had this, y'all. So shout out to my guy Venomous for getting this for me, for hitting 500 subs. So that'll tell you how long this should have been on. I'm at 6 something now, so it's crazy.
Alright.
You know what I'm saying? So
with this piece,
Yeah.
since I got 2 of y'all here, it's going to be easy.
easy. Okay, that's cool.
That way, sure where it's going to go.
You right?
Mark.
For sure. Y'all see that thing right there? Ooh, that's gonna look crazy.
Right here for the change. Game up.
Yeah.
Now this time I'm gonna lift it up. That way
Okay.
they gonna hit this piece.
Okay.
Hey,
Yes,
Ronnie,
sir.
where your your track cans from?
Nah, it's good because pretty much whatever, as long as I have these holes here, as long as this shit right here match up with these metal parts, we good.
Uh-oh, I don't know.
Where that box at?
Which one?
Underneath the
Oh.
tubes.
You look good. Oh, yeah.
Oh, fuck it. I'll be the last one to get a Wickerbill then. You did help me with my splitter though, my diffuser.
Yeah.
Here, boy. This right here, nigga.
Always test it. First one.
Right up in that thing.
And now, shit.
Yep.
Voila.
We in there.
We in there.
We in there. We in there.
Yeah, that shit smooth too. Look at that motherfucker.
Yep.
Look like the car came like that.
She.
Alright, so finish that process now. You know that we fit.
Yeah.
Work, so.
Yeah.
Alright, so what I do now, I drill every hole, then take the tape off.
Yeah. Okay.
There.
Cool.
Hold up, nigga. I can't use my shit.
You gotta be careful with this because a lot of people like to rush. Bing!
I'll go right through. Yeah.
Right through that thing.
Yeah.
And then they need a whole new spoiler.
Yep. Well, ain't too bad.
See, if you get a diffuser, they got diffusers that match your tips.
Yeah.
It's with the same style of piece.
Damn, bro, this shit be nervous. You gotta be patient with this shit.
Yeah. I believe it too.
You know what I'm saying? When you go through that shit done for you. For real.
You got to plaster the shit and paint over it. Or stay.
Or just hope don't nobody see it. Like, you know what I'm saying?
I mean, if once the Wickerbill in there, and if you go through it.
No, I'm saying on top of here.
Oh,
I'm talking about on top.
Yeah.
I thought this one nigga, he had a Camaro, this nigga took a saw blade and cut into the back of his bumper to put like one of them big drift spoilers on his shit.
Oh.
And then he took the shit off, and you see them big old slits on his bumper.
That's crazy.
And then he cut the slits too wide. So even with the big old spoiler in there, the
Right.
slits was way longer than the piece that went in the bumper.
That's crazy.
Damn, nigga, you better feel your shit because you get in a car accident, nigga, your bumper gonna rip. It's gonna rip right off the spoiler, nigga. That nigga Matthew wrecked his car.
Both.
They both cooked goo. Oh, damn, my nigga. He don't know what
Ooh, that look crazy. Oh, let me get that next one. Hold on. That look crazy. Y'all see it? Yee! Hey, that shit pretty. I ain't gonna even hold you.
Yeah.
Ooh, oh, them
Yeah, that's
hoes
clean.
is precision, man.
That's
Nigga, look at
clean.
that shit. That's just
That's
precision
clean.
right there.
Let's hope.
Yeah, that ain't bad.
Ain't too bad.
Yeah, that's
This nigga
clean.
is precision.
That thing look kind of crazy. That thing look kind of crazy.
Hey DeAndre, do you have that card for the tire place?
Yeah, this shit.
I got this.
Y'all see that
We
thing,
all
man?
do.
That thing on there now. Yes, sir. Y'all tell me how it look in the comment section. Yes, sir. That thing got the big lip on there.
I don't know, bro. I might be the outcast and
Yes,
go out
sir.
the
And I was like that too, but you know, it was free, so I ain't tripping. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so it's on there.
on there.
Go ahead and get a little,
Yeah,
little
them
custom
on
thing. That's gonna be a whole nother video though.
You got a whole Wickerbill on his shit now.
I feel official. I feel like I'm with the big boys now. Now I need a diffuser. Make sure y'all follow Rondo 392. Y'all need to get some shit done. Y'all know where to find them at.
Hit me up on Instagram. Everything the same.
Yep.
Instagram and YouTube. Rondo 392. RONDO 392.
Yeah. It will be in the description below down there. You want to shout some shit out too? You know, you finna be on the channel. Go ahead, you on his phone and shit.
Savage SRT for the IG. Savage _ SRT _1. YouTube channel Savage SRT.
Hey, you gonna get that going too. Get the volume on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Subscribe, you know what I'm saying? We out here. Appreciate my guy Rondo for doing it for me. You know what I'm saying? Once again, shout out to Venomous for getting this for your boy. You know what I'm talking about? We finally putting it on after 8 years. You know what I'm saying? We out here though. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this video. Like I said, shout out to my guy Rondo 392. I might show y'all some clips real quick of the Wickerbill on, so it's not in the garage, but then I'm gonna just end the video there, baby. So take a look at these pics. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if y'all like it down in the comments below. If you like this video, subscribe to your boy, subscribe to my boy Rondo. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate him again for putting his Wickerbill on, and y'all let me know how I look, baby. Anyway, stay up, stay cool, stay safe. Mask up.